Hi, I'm Emmett Reed, Executive Director of the Florida Healthcare Association. Welcome to another edition of FHCA's Provider Program. We're in week 2 of the legislative session, and FHCA was excited to kick off our 2017 Lobby Wednesdays with nearly 90 representatives from Gulf Coast Healthcare. I'm at the Capitol with the president of Gulf Coast Healthcare, Jamie Richardson. Jamie, you have brought a ton of your team up to the Capitol. About how many folks do you have with you today?
Yes, sir. I'd say we have probably about 80 folks here.
80 people. That's
yes.
Amazing. Now, and this isn't your first go around. How many times have you think you've brought your people up here for how many years?
We've been running on this for, I would say, close to 8 years, 9 years, and it's been a wonderful run for us. It gets bigger every year.
I know that Gulf Coast Healthcare is very active in bringing lawmakers to your facilities. Talk a little bit about that.
Well, one of the things that we set out at the beginning of each year is talking with our administrators, our admissions folks, and all of our staff about how important it is to get people in to see what it is that we do. And then taking that to another level by having politicians join us. We think it's important they get that, and they want to, quite frankly. So you just got to create the opportunity for them and reach out, and we've had great success with it.
Many of the caregivers joining us have made this annual trip to Tallahassee and were well versed on the priorities we're focused on, including Certificate of Need, Managed Care, and Medicaid funding. Others had their first experience at the Capitol and did an excellent job educating legislators about the quality care they're providing to our state's frail elders.
It is my first time here at Lobby Wednesday. We're very, very excited to be speaking to our legislators today and advocate for great healthcare resources and advocacy.
I'm very excited to be here at the Capitol to lobby for our healthcare rights.
It's great to have everyone up here in Tallahassee now. We're in the second week of session. Bills are starting to move, and there's a lot of really great things happening for long-term care. We're looking forward to being a part of all of that, and welcome to Tallahassee, welcome to your Capitol, and keep up the good work.
I'm Alex Tarantev, Senior Vice President for Florida Healthcare Association. We are going to protect our seniors. We're going to lobby for our industry, and go Gulf Coast Healthcare, go FHCA.
We're going to be talking to Hazy Bashirs about current legislation, the PPS, the CON, and managed care.
We chatted with him about the managed care and also the certificate of need and why that's so important to nursing centers. He was very receptive to our issues. He had some questions about it, and he seems to be on board with the things that we talked to him about.
We're thankful to Burchard Insurance, Medline, and HCPCS for sponsoring this important grassroots initiative, which we expect will bring over 500 long-term care professionals to Tallahassee by the time session ends in May. Your voice is important to the process, which is why we've been asking you to help back home with emailing your legislators about keeping our certificate of need intact and improving the managed care system for residents and providers alike. In the meantime, thank you for your advocacy on behalf of your residents and staff. Remember to download FHCA's mobile app, visit our Engage website, and follow us on social media so you can stay informed about the progress we're making. Until next time, I'm Emmett Reed, keeping you informed about the critical issues that impact long-term care and the providers we represent.